A city on edge. Security forces to increase surveillance in Montego Bay as tensions grow after the killing of a popular TikTok content creator. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Also this evening, Spanish Town Hospital officials given deadline to provide report into teen mother's death and stay satisfied that beneficiaries are taking care of indigent and social houses. We'll also have Saturday Sports Special and weather later in this newscast, so do stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.